welcome to Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and this is my co-host today, Miss Jessica. And today the question is, how do you make cutout brownies? Well, first you want to start off with your favorite brownie recipe. Go ahead and bake them up. You can have thick brownies or thinner brownies. And then you're going to pick out your favorite cookie cutters. So Jessica and I today, we picked out a heart and a bone. So Jessica, let's go ahead and press a cookie cutter into the brownie right there. Good. And we're pushing the cookie cutter into the brownie. Great, Jessica. And now I will go ahead and just push the brownie right out of the cookie cutter, just as you see here. Good job, Jessica. And then we're just going to remove the dough around the edges and push the cookie cutter through the brownie, just as you see here. And the fun thing that we have here are leftover brownie chunks like this. Jessica and I are going to show you a fun little trick that we can do to make sure you get to still keep all the brownie pieces. You roll it into a nice little ball and then dip it into granulated sugar. So it looks really nice. There you go, Jessica. There you go. And that is how you make cutout brownies. Very easy and fun for kids to do as well. Jessica, we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye and eat these brownies. What do you think? Yeah? All right. Well, thank you for joining us here on Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall. This is my co-host, Jessica, and I'm from Baking with Melissa. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you have a fantastic brownie kind of day.